Hello everyone, thanks so much for joining me today for the unboxing of the Elle Studio May kit and add-ons. I will also at the end of this show you some of the projects I made as well as an exclusive traveler's notebook kit that she has. So I'm just unboxing this first main kit. This main kit actually includes 2 sets of die cuts, which you can see here. Here's one of them. They've got some really great sayings, those cute little bookmarks up at the top. And then it also includes 3 4x6, I think she refers to them as tags. Here's the second set of die cuts. Great phrases, some hearts and stars. Here is the second 4x6 tag. And then this really cute polka dot one, which you see here. So now I'll just show you some of the 3x4 tags that she's got. Great for weekends, documenting your day, a little meh. This I actually used as part of a tag mini album that I put together. Again, I'll show you a preview of that at the end. This one says, "Hold on, let me overthink this." This was kind of a big deal. She's got a great mix of cards that include sentiments as well as really good places to include journaling. Great for your project pages, your scrapbooking pages, layering. I cut several of these apart to use on my scrapbooking pages, and they're just really fun all around. So this is it for the main kit. Lots of fun, yummy stuff. Now I'll walk you through the add-ons. So they've got these great May labels, rainbow of color, label stickers. This, I kind of stick here for just a minute because I want you to see all of the great phrases that they've got on here. Play all day phrase stickers. It says soaking up in the warm sunshine, living the dream, remember this, real life, it will all be okay. Our routine, the day is yours, be happy, you're a dreamer, enjoy the journey. I'll let you look through that if you want to. And then this actually is literally fun. The word fun in some wood veneer. I can't wait to play with that. One of my favorite items in the kit is this gold acrylic Good Times. And then she also included some grid on one side. So you can see there's a color of grid papers, and then on the back are some line journaling cards. They've got lines on about half of the back, and I think it's the lower half. I guess it could be the top half, depending on how you use it. These really great craft tags. I used many of these on that tag mini album that I mentioned earlier. And if you watch to the end of this, you can see a sneak peek of that project, which was a lot of fun to create. But there's a great variety of tag sizes here that I think you will find that you love using in a lot of your projects. There's this puffy heart stickers in a selection of colors. These really awesome gold shapes and dots, which are also puffy stickers. And then there is this kind of typewriters type of stamp. It's called the Hazel alphabet stamp. And then this hello stamp. It's got great spots to make journaling prompts. It's got wonderful sentiments, a couple of cute hearts, and I really love this stamp. It can be used in so many different ways. You can see some of the words there. And then it also includes these great sayings. You can interchange these with maybe some of the acrylics for some of your projects, and that's wood veneer, and then these white acrylic words. Now before I show you the May Traveler's Notebook, let me show you a couple of projects I made with this main kit and the add-ons. So all of these projects will have a process video for themselves, but this one is a tag mini album about my crazy family. Then there's this sweet treat layout I created with a cut file that I made, as well as a dabble in mixed media. And then I pushed my limits with mixed media for this Good Times layout. Okay, so now I'm going to pivot over and discuss this Traveler's Notebook kit that comes out this month. It's got some great embellishments here, some wood veneer. It's super thin, so it's going to lay nice and flat in your traveler's notebook, but the wood veneer includes this cute little luggage piece, an airplane, a couple of stars, some hearts. That large heart you see actually has the word "this" printed on it, so that's kind of cool. Love this. And then eat well, travel often. Then there's also these tags. So those would be a great addition. These labels are really fantastic too. I love that there's some that have some icons on them and some that are plain. And then there's these die cuts. On this die cut sheet, it says things like new sites, let's go, pack your bags, and then some plain labels. Then there are some stickers. These are perfect. They've got some great sentiments on them. I love those phrase stickers down at the bottom. I also like those where it says day blank of blank, so you can just kind of fill it in. And then there's these papers. So with these papers, you actually get 2 of each kind. So there's this fun one with the airplane kind of going across. Then there's one that says favorite stops. That one actually says, oh, the places you'll go. This yellow one is nice and vibrant. I love that starburst one. And then the gray one as well. So these make some really good backgrounds. You can kind of see them right there for your pages in your traveler's notebook. Then there is an alpha sheet, and then lastly this stamp set. I'm not sure what part of the stamp set I really love the most, but it's nice and versatile and can be used over and over again. And come on, who doesn't always love a stamp set? So anyways, that is it for the Traveler's Notebook unboxing. I hope you love it as much as I do, and stay tuned for some projects that I'm going to create with it.